This is inside one of the new buildings I just bought, and I think it'll be a cool place to work on cars. It's got a cement floor, it's got a roll-up door. The ceilings are just tall enough to work on cars. I don't think I can put a lift in here, but it's got some side parking. And it was like a TV radio repair store, and then after that it was used like to sell party supplies like balloons. Got a really cool old fridge. It's got one small roof leak, and it's from a swamp cooler on the roof, so it should be an easy fix. And it shouldn't take too long to clean it out. Look at that old Pepsi cooler. (2006). There's a year on that calendar. Well, so I've got to put a bigger garage door in here, and this thing will be ready to work on some cars. Okay, well, if you like this kind of thing, like and subscribe. I recently bought all the commercial property in this downtown area. I got that building across the street there. Now, this building on the corner here with the awning, that belongs to the state, and it's available for back taxes. And that big building straight ahead, that's the Verdugo Hall. It was a grammar school back in the 1830s.